Good day, students. Today we want to solve problem under circle geometry 1. And when you see a question like this, before you draw your diagram to explain the question being asked. Now let's see. The chord of a circle is 12 centimeter long. Let's draw a circle. This is a chord. Let's call it AB. Chord AB, 12 centimeter long. Let's write it. Line AB equals 12 centimeter long. The radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Let's assume the center of the circle O. Center of the circle O. From the circumference to the center is the radius, and is given to us as 10 centimeter. And if this is 10 centimeter, the other side will also be 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. And you have to calculate the distance of the midpoint of the chord. The midpoint of the chord, let's take it to be M. This is the midpoint, center of the chord. We want to know the distance from calculate distance of the midpoints of the chord from the center of the circle. And the midpoint, if from A to B is 12, A to M will be 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Is that clear? Now what you need to do, what you are looking for, is this place OM, line OM. Let's take it to X. Let's bring it out. Let's bring one of the triangle out. Okay, M, X, O, 10 centimeter, A, 6 centimeter. Okay, this 90-degree. And when you have a right angle triangle like this, you use Pythagoras theorem for right angle triangle. AB is 12 centimeter. Line AM equals to line BM and is equals to 6 centimeter. And what you are looking for, line OM or MO, line MO equals to X is unknown. We don't know it. That's what we are looking for, because we have to calculate distance of the midpoint of the chord, midpoint from the center of the circle. Since we are having we're having right angle triangle. How do we know it's right angle triangle? Because this line MO is perpendicular to the chord AB. Okay, that's why it's 90-degree. We now using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. Considering triangle AMO. Is that okay? And if you put something like this triangle, it will be known triangle is triangle AMO. Considering triangle AMO, we now have the square of the longest side, line AO squared, equals to the square of the longest side equals to the square of the other two sides. The addition of the square of the other two sides equals to AM, line AM squared plus line MO squared. Okay, what are we looking for? We're looking for MO squared. You now take AM squared to the other side, line AO squared minus line AM squared equals to line MO squared. What's AO? That's 10 squared minus AM 6 squared equals to line MO squared. You have line MO squared equals 100, 10 squared is 100 minus 36. Now line MO squared equals 100 minus 36, 100 minus 36. Borrow 1 to this, we have 4, mean that 9. 9 minus 3, that's 6. That's having 64. Find the square roots of both sides. To cancel the square root, line MO equals 8 centimeter. Now the distance of the midpoint from the chord, therefore the distance, you can say x now, because we say MO equals to x now equals 8 centimeter. Therefore the distance of the midpoint of the chord from the center of the circle is 8 centimeter. Okay, let's example 1. Let's see example 2. Now you have to calculate the length of a chord of a circle of radius 2 centimeter, of radius 26 centimeter, if the chord is 10 centimeter from the center of the circle. You have to interpret the question into diagram before you can solve it appropriately. Calculate the length of a chord. Let's draw a circle. Calculate the length of a chord of a circle of radius. Okay, if the chord is 10 centimeter from the center of the circle. Let's say this is a chord. You can see a chord is not at the center, is towards close to the circumference. You can draw it here, but I'm picking this side. Okay, this is a chord. Let's AB. Calculate the length of a chord of a circle of radius. Let's say this is the center of the circle. Put O at the center of the circle. Radius from the circumference to the center is a radius, which is 26 centimeter. If the chord is 10 centimeter from the center of the circle, this center of the circle M, the center of the circle is O, and the chord is 10 centimeter from the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle, this is the chord, and the chord is 10 centimeter from the center of the circle. Okay, this M, which is center of the chord. Is that okay? A to B is the chord, and you can see it. Let's see it again. Calculate the length of a chord, that is A to B is the length of a chord of a circle of radius. You now see a radius from the center of the circle to any part of the circumference is a radius, and from O to A is 26 centimeter, which is the radius. If the chord is 10 centimeter, this chord is 10 centimeter from the center of the circle. This is 10 now, 10 centimeter. You have to calculate the length from here to here of the chord. If you're able to get AM, you multiply by 2, or you add D together, add the same value you got together to give you the length of the chord. Okay, now let's see line AO equals to 26 centimeter. Line MO equals 10 centimeter. Now this right angle triangle, which is we are going to use our Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem. The square of the longest side, which is the hypotenuse, equals, this is the adjacent, this is the opposite, equals to the square of the other two sides, the addition of the square of the other two sides, which is AM squared, this is hypotenuse, AM squared plus line MO squared. What are we looking for? We're looking for AM. Line AO squared, take this one, take MO to this side, you have minus line MO squared equals line AM squared. Okay, now AM squared equals, what is AO? AO is 26 squared minus MO 10 squared. Now let's multiply it. 26 multiplied by 26, 6 times 6, that's 36, 6 carry 3, 6 times 2, 12 plus 3, 15, 2 times 6, 12 carry 1, 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5, I have 676. 676 minus 100, which is 576. Now let's see, line AM squared equals 576. Find the square root of both sides. To cancel this square root, you have line AM equals, when you find the square root of 576, you have 24 centimeter. Okay, now since you have AM to be 24 centimeter, which is the adjacent, you have AB equals line AB equals line AM plus line BM, and you can see line AM and line BM, they have the same distance. Okay, I got one of them to be 24 centimeter. Now the length of the chord now, AB equals 24 centimeter plus 24 centimeter. Therefore line AB equals, that's 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter, which is the length of the chord. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.